Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Nexus widget by Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Nexus makes an awesome image gallery with a flexible layout and a refreshing hover animation that displays the image title and read more button as text. The hover window is scalable, so you can customize the color opacity to set up a unique view of the gallery images. On the display, you can see how amazing the gallery looks when you have completed the whole customization with the title font over the overlay color. Alright, let us show you how you can design such a cool WordPress image gallery using the Nexus widget. On the screen, you can see that the gallery widget has already been dropped inside the page and there's a default hover animation. On your left, the first option lets you customize the grid template columns. Then there are row gap and column gap scroll bars. Let's zero them both. The item height scroll bar lets you change the height of the entire image items of the gallery. Then you have a masonry switchers below. Then there's a single switcher for hiding or showing the title text. The alignment option is for the text, and with the image size option, you can customize the dimension of images used inside the gallery. Then there is a link option. Click on it and select media file. This will activate the linking feature for the individual gallery items. Then set the link target to only buttons so the link buttons will be visible on the hovering screen. Now move to the items section. Here you'll find all the gallery items listed. Let's click on the first item box and then click on the image field to change the item. Either pick from your media library or upload the image from local. Then change the title text for the item. Now switch to the grid subsection, and here you can manipulate the size of the item or image. Let's increase the column span. It can be increased up to 12 as we kept the grid template columns the same number. Using row span, you can make the item occupy multiple rows. Let's go to the second item and change the image and title. We'll continue changing the info this way for the rest. Then change the column span for the fourth item. Also do the same for the fifth item. That leaves the second, third and sixth item with default grid settings. Now switch to the Style tab for appearance customizations. In the first section, you have to switch to hover mode so you can change the overlay color for both primary and secondary. Primary means the box fill color, where secondary means the border-like part. Now move to the title section and change the color of the title text to white. Then you can customize the font from typography. Then go to the read more section and change the text color to white. And in the same way, customize the font. These little modifications made the current gallery interface resemble the one we showed at the beginning of this video. Easy, right? You can even try more customizations to bring out your true creativity with the Nexus Gallery widget. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get updates on new widget tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.